Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in the Dollar Tree in Mount Laurel. We're going to check out Mother's Day and summer stuff. So let's do it. So they have these cute little fans here. These little mom, what do you call it, little frames, pictures. And so it has this little facial thing. You have this little best, you're the best mom. These cute ones for your grandma. These are really cute, and they're just little holders that you can put stuff in. They have these little makeup kits, these little glass things for crafts. These are cute little containers. Here they have some slippers. These are really cute little picture frames. You can put a picture of you and your mom in there. And more little pretty flower bottles, candle holders. Another candle holder. These are really cute little makeup bags for travel. And so we saw the little fuzzy slippers, huh? They have these little nail files, scrubbers. These are really cute. And the headbands. We got night masks. And got the little gloves for the overnight exfoliating baths. And cute little mama bag, and we got some little the shower fizzies. So those are really fun and cute. Little lotions. They have some beach stuff going on. These are really, really pretty bottles. I love these. Very detailed. These are cute to decorate. This is a pretty bottle Enzo has. They have these ones. These little lanterns are fun for your outside deck. And they have some fun bath bombs. How cute are these? Oh, I love these. These are little soap bars with the rope. And then little bell. Thanks, Enzo. It's cute. So they're just starting to put out. They have the mugs, the cups, and the plates. It's a little beach getaway. This little relax and love sign. And the little beach vibes. So there's a lot of different stuff here for the summer. And then they have the crafts you can paint. And they have like a little fish one up there you can decorate. But these are really fun for crafting. Is that your favorite bottle? Thank you. Go put it back. They have some little flip-flops out here for $1.25. These fun little flamingo ones. And the drinks. Look at these fun little glasses for the kids. They have ice pops, flamingos, the sun. Those are really fun. I haven't seen those before. They have the little baby sandals and toddlers and more. And Enzo's favorite, a hula hoop. So they have different hula hoop sizes. We have some gardening stuff over here. We got the gardening gloves. We got the little gardening poles for your flowers and flags. They have all the little tools for your hose, the rakes, thermometers, and then we have all these bins for potting, growing your flowers and vegetables, which we need to start our garden soon. Looks like a lot of the seeds are already sold out, and there's a few left. Thank you. And they have these cute little pots too, and wind chimes. And we're ready for the beach. We have the little buckets, sandcastle buckets, frisbees. We have the swimmies here, and the inflatables. They have some water guns and some goggles. This one has a little snorkel kit, and the bigger shovels. More bubble stuff. We have some chalk activity. Some nets. These are fun little games to play. You got that at home, don't you? More buckets. And little boats too, right, Enzo? Those are fun. If you want to get ready for graduation parties, they have graduation stuff out already. They have all the party supplies. little ducky Enzo found. They have the little headbands and the cups. They even have these little gnomes. Those are really cute. But all your party supplies for graduations are here. They're so cute. Napkins. They even have these cute picture frames. Tassel. And these little mason jars. Those are really fun. I love these little decorations too. And so they got plates, they got little bubbles, they have little signs. Again, here's another little picture frame. This is another picture frame. They have napkins, and they have the little stars you can scatter around the table. Yeah, it's very pretty. And the flags, and then we're gonna go over here. We have Memorial Day and 4th of July patriotic stuff. So we have the flags, some sunglasses, some painting, wind chimes. We got the bowls, some more crafting stuff, and decor signs. This is a fun little thing. I think I have to pull the tab, but those are cool. And they have cups. They have all the plates and decor. Again, headbands, these cute little bottles, and then little tins, and the patriotic gnomes. Oh, I like those plates. Those are fun. So they have small plates and big plates for your barbecues and get-togethers. Really fun stuff. So I got it to light up. Look at this. Oh, Enzo's got a little pot holder, but look at this cool headband. It lights up. I love it. Some of the different little cups they have. These are really cute. These come in a 2-pack.
Coconut.
A coconut. If you're having a tiki or summer party. These are cute if you want to do like a little gift. Oh, thank you. If you want to do a summer gift, and you can put like a gift card in here and a little shot or some wine. Oh, I like the flamingo. That's really cute. So they have these Mother's Day cards here that are 2 for $1. There's a lot of pretty ones, selection, funny, heartfelt ones. So definitely is my go-to place for great cards. My kids always love the ice pops from here. So they have the Sonic ones. They have Kool-Aid, Skittles. They have 2 different Kool-Aid ones. So you can't beat that. For $1.25, you get 10 or 20 if you get the Kool-Aid Pops. More of the summer section. These cute little cups again. They have lawn flamingos. And more summertime things. These are really cute for the kids to color. I know my kids love that. They have these little decorations that you can put a picture in. They have the wind chimes. Look at these big ice cream cones. These are really fun drink cups. And they have some fun balloons that I haven't seen before. They have a flamingo, pineapple, race car one. This one looks like donuts. So really cute. Oh my goodness, look at this little scuba diving one. How cute is he? Really fun. These are fun for ice creams or little treats for parties. They have little shot glasses. They have the fun straws and mixers. They have these little serving plates. They have the little umbrellas, more decor, and all these fun plates. Tropical vibes, regular ones, and these little ice cream plates. So such cute stuff to have a summer party. Look at this little flip-flop, like for chips and dip. That's really cute. I showed him that. That's cool, right? That's a drink cup. Little flamingos. Enzo, show me what you got. Is that a cool little cup that lights up? Do you want to get one for you and your sister? Yeah. And you turn it off and on right by the button underneath. Say thank you for watching. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Bye.